So previously we talked about selections. We just use our primary mouse key to click and then we can select. And if we don't want to select, we just need to, so for example, we select here, we just select anywhere else, right? We select here, we select anywhere else, it's not selected. Okay, so for example, I select light, I don't want to select, I click anywhere else, it's not selected. But what about you want to select multiple things? Okay, so first you will click this, and if you look at here, let me you guys can't see because it's like behind me. So remember, we can use the shift, use the middle mouse to pan. So you know what, you can see it better. And I'm going to zoom it in. So basically I'm going to utilize what we just learned. Okay, so for example, if you select, remember to look at this like orange, the sort of so-called darker version of the orange, and that means this thing that you are selected. But what about I want to select multiple things? You can holding the shift and using your prior mouse key while this is selected. So for example, this cube has been selected, but I holding the shift and then click here, I can select both. Okay, so basically if you want to select multiple things, you're going to do this. But I want you to look at this highlighted orange as well as a darker version of the orange. So basically the highlighted version of the orange is the thing that currently being selected. Okay, so this is the thing that are being selected, active selected. Even though you select multiple things, you select this cube and select this light, but the light is the last thing that I select. It's currently actively selected. Okay, so for example, holding shift, holding middle mouse, I also want to select this camera. Remember this color, and holding shift and then primary key, select, and then this highlighted version is selected. The darker version of the orange become selected but not actively selected. So basically I can select right now, select three things. I'm going to zoom it out a little bit. I'll select three things, this, and this cube, this light, as well as this camera. But the camera is a little bit lighter. It's a kind of highlighted, so that's the currently actively selected. And this nuances, this is a tiny little bit difference, do matter, but in later. But you need to know that you can of course select multiple things, but the last thing you select, that's the active selected. Okay.